What's up, guys? It is Sunday, and well, I have to say, it's Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Okay, guys. So, as you see behind me right here, the woods and stuff, apparently there's a legend, that was out here, and, the legend is that, dude out here that sleeps, right? He's not a homeless guy, but they say he's a shapeshifter. So we're gonna check this bad boy out later on. So give that a go. Alright, guys, so right now I'm getting deeper into the forest. I don't got much time because it's Valentine's Day and I gotta get back. We're gonna see if we can find something out here. If not, then it will be worth this of a recording. We're gonna go find this shapeshifter. You can't be anybody. I think I see him. Oh my god. He's discovering me. He's discovering me. Okay. I guess I gotta follow this trail. We're gonna go that way. He's right behind us. Go, go. Look at him. Freedom. You can't pass us now. You won't go past. This cat defeated the shapeshifter. I couldn't record it. I did, I tried. But her powers deleted the scene, so she doesn't want no one knowing that she is a super cat. A super cat. A super cat. Meow. Cute. Thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. Subscribe to my videos. Shake, shake, shake. Look at that butt. Yeah, you're a little butt. Subscribe to my videos. Like, share, comment down below. Bye bye.